Welcome, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can customize touch controls on this Sennheiser earbuds. So first of all, we have to select our Sport True Wireless earbuds from the Sennheiser application. Next we have to scroll down and we have to simply go for the touch controls, turn them on, and then click for customize. We can find gestures for the left and the right earbud. We have one tap, 2, 3 taps, and also hold gesture. So for example, let's switch the last one, the hold. I would like to turn on the transparency mode, so I have to switch from the volume up to the focus mode. And on the left, I would like to switch to aware. And that's how we can customize for the left and the right each gesture. When you go back, you are able to use your new touch controls setup. That's all for this video. Hope you like it. Remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.